your label job sheets so that the writing looks good on them. There's lots of different label job sheets that have got all slightly different specs, so there might be a little bit of fiddling to get it to work and look perfect, but this is where you do it. So first of all, I'm going to go into settings and I'm going to change it to a worksheet. I'm going to change it to worksheet there. Now when I go back into shop setting, general settings, and go to personalization, you've got different choices of worksheets here. You've got old top and new. The old is the first one we did where the labels are at the bottom. The one we are recommending now is the new, if you can get it to work on that. It could be slightly slower than the old top, so that is the next one we'd try, but if you find this one works best for you, then stick with that. But let's start the old top. That is an old style worksheet, but with the labels at the top. You would get them at the top just by turning your sheets the other way around. There's nothing, you don't buy them necessarily like that. It's just that the format shows at the top. For new, that is the completely new one. So we'll show you there. We'll tick new. Most people would be style A. However, if style A doesn't work for you, you could try style D. The P ones, these are for perforated ones, so you wouldn't worry about that unless you've got a perforated labels. And then it is just a case of trying what works for your labels. I'm going to click update there, and we're going to go back to the dashboard and show how that would print out. When you click there, there you go. You can see your card messages there at the top. You can see your address label is up here. You can play around with the fonts as well. So if we go back into settings and go back to personalization, if you wanted a different font over there and maybe a different font size, you can change it there. Click update and then go and have a look and see what that looks like for you. And you would pop that in here. And it is just a case of like playing around and see what works for you and your branding. I'm just going to try the old new with it at the top. The reason being just so you can see that there is a slight delay with that label. So I'm going to change it now to new old top and click update. And then I'm going to update it there. And then we'll go and have a quick look and see what that looks like. And click there and then do that there, and you can see what that looks like there. So the delay, there is a slight delay with the new one, but it's not actually that much different. Again, it is once if you do change the labels, then it is a case of seeing what the different font sizes and things look like on that label. So have a play, see what works for you. If you get stuck, just give us either a call or a WhatsApp message and we'll be happy to help.